This trick will save your jewelry. Silver accessories tend to tarnish over time, but there's an easy solution. Take a glass, line its bottom with aluminum foil, and add a tablespoon of baking soda. Place your jewelry inside, pour boiling water over it, and wait a few minutes. The result? Your silver shines like it's fresh from the jeweler, and your jewelry looks as good as new. Try this homemade method today. Jewelers don't want you to know this simple home trick. Over time, silver accessories and jewelry tarnish due to natural chemical processes. With proper care, however, your silver items can remain in perfect condition. Here's the secret. Take a small bowl and pour in a little water. Add a small amount of regular toothpaste. Make sure it's not whitening and doesn't contain abrasive particles. Mix well until combined. Toothpaste has cleaning and polishing properties. Next, add a tablespoon of baking soda, which neutralizes the unpleasant odor of oxidized silver and brightens it further. Mix until you get a paste-like consistency. Apply this mixture to your tarnished jewelry and gently clean it using a sponge. Afterward, rinse the jewelry in a bowl of warm water to remove any residue. Dry the silver with a soft cloth and gently polish it for extra shine. This combination of ingredients will make your silver as clean as if it had been professionally treated. Even the tiniest crevices will sparkle again, and your jewelry will look brand new. A nurse showed me how to remove a ring from a swollen finger. When fingers swell, getting a ring off can seem nearly impossible. I'd like to share 2 methods to avoid this problem. First, prepare a thin string or thread. Cut a piece of it. Slip one end of the thread under the ring. Hold or tape this end to your hand temporarily. Start wrapping the other end of the thread around the swollen finger. Tape this end as well. Now, take the first end of the thread and start unwinding it. The ring will begin to slide off. If the thread catches on the ring, adjust it and continue unwinding. The ring will slide off the finger, and you'll be able to remove it. You can also do this with a piece of string. Follow the same steps as with the thread. At first, it may seem difficult, but it becomes easier as you go along. You can remove the ring by yourself this way. Another simple method works as long as the swelling isn't too severe. You probably have petroleum jelly or a greasy cream at home. Just smear it all over the finger with the ring. This will help the ring slide off without any trouble. Apply this to your hands, and in 5 minutes, they'll be as smooth as after a salon visit. Start by sprinkling sugar on your hands. Its fine crystals help remove dead skin cells. Next, add instant coffee. The caffeine in coffee stimulates microcirculation, reducing puffiness and improving skin elasticity. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon over the sugar and coffee. Lemon juice brightens the skin and helps diminish discoloration. Finally, add a bit of toothpaste. Each ingredient in this mix offers unique skincare benefits. Gently massage the mixture in circular motions for a few minutes, especially on areas with drier or rougher skin. The ingredients will have time to penetrate, providing extra benefits. You can also use this scrub on other areas that need brightening and smoothing. Use once a week, and your hands will look 10 years younger. For best results, follow up with a moisturizing cream to lock in softness and hydration. Jewelry experts are keeping this secret from us. Put your silver jewelry in boiling water. They definitely don't want us to know this household trick. Over time, silver accessories and jewelry tarnish. This happens because of a natural chemical process. Silver reacts with sulfur in the air. It starts to oxidize and darken in color. Pour water into a pan and bring it to a boil. Then, put your dirty silver in it. The water must cover the silver completely. Take regular toothpaste. Squeeze out a tablespoon of it. Then, dissolve it in the water. Make sure the toothpaste doesn't contain abrasive particles and isn't a whitening type. Toothpaste has cleaning and polishing properties. Next, add a tablespoon of baking soda. It will start to fizz. This fizzing action helps to remove dirt from the crevices of the jewelry. It will also eliminate the unpleasant smell of oxidized silver and brighten it. Additionally, add a small spoonful of table salt. Salt has properties that prevent silver from darkening. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil and put it in the pan. Then, heat everything for a few minutes. The combination of all these ingredients will make your silver as clean as if it had been professionally cleaned by a jeweler. Even the smallest crevices will shine beautifully again. Your jewelry will look like new. A scorched iron is a nightmare, but I have a brilliant solution. Your iron will look like new. It will remove limescale, residue, and even significant scorch marks. First, take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Toothpaste is an excellent polishing agent for many appliances. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Pour a shot of vinegar into the bowl. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a thick paste. Now, turn on the iron and wait until it gets hot. Once it's heated, take a regular small sponge and dip it into the mixture. Use the rough side of the sponge to clean the iron. After a few strokes, the iron will start to shine like new. Look how well it presses fabrics now. Your iron will glide smoothly over clothes, making ironing faster and easier. This simple trick can save your iron, extend its lifespan, and keep it in perfect working condition. You won't need to buy a new one, so you'll save a lot of money. Trick to make your entire kitchen shine. Metal pots, bowls, and elements on various equipment will regain their shine. This way, you will remove all stains and streaks from metal dishes. Steel will look like new. You can recommend this method to friends and family. Pour a tablespoon of cornstarch into a bowl. Our grandmothers often used starch to clean various surfaces. Add a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is excellent for removing greasy stains. Pour a measure of laundry detergent. Add 1 measure of dishwashing liquid. Pour a glass of water. Mix everything together. These products are excellent for removing various stains and will deal with streaks and stains on steel elements. Pour the mixture into a measuring cup and using a funnel, pour it into a bottle with a spout. It can be an empty bottle from the previous dishwashing liquid. You can use this liquid immediately to clean metal elements in kitchen equipment. Just use a small amount of liquid and wipe the equipment with a cloth, then wipe dry with a towel. You will quickly notice that the steel becomes shiny. Stains and streaks disappear. You can also clean a metal kettle with it. Without scrubbing, it will be shiny as new in a few seconds. This liquid keeps all my pots clean. They are shiny like new. I put a bag over the fan and couldn't believe the results. I had never done it this way before. Prepare a container and squeeze a tablespoon of toothpaste into it. Any cheap toothpaste you have at home will do. Then, add 200 milliliters of warm water. Mix until the toothpaste dissolves. The next ingredient is dish soap. Measure out 2 tablespoons and add it to the mixture. Finally, pour in vinegar. Make sure it's white vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons. Mix everything thoroughly. Get a spray bottle and use a funnel to pour in the mixture you just made. When you take out your fan in the spring, its blades and casing are covered in dust. Spray it generously with the solution. It's very important to clean it thoroughly before the first use. Dust and mites can cause runny noses, allergies, and respiratory problems. The solution will get into all the nooks and crannies without having to disassemble the casing. Once you've thoroughly sprayed the fan, take a clean trash bag and put it over the fan, tying it securely. Then, turn on the highest setting. The mixture will spread throughout the fan and expel the dust. It only takes 1 minute. After that, just remove the bag and throw it away. If you want, you can wipe the fan with a cloth, but you don't have to, and you're done.